Sorry guys, this is true or false. True or false? Is the planet Uranus on its head? False. You are correct. Watch TV with me.
Who is it? How can I be sure you're not Wilkes in disguise? We're not Wilkes! We promise! What's your mother's maiden name? Dip. What's your first name?
This is a trick question.
Oh. You're in. What are we gonna do? I may know the answer to that question. Do you want the regular answer or the action-packed answer? Action-packed, please? Yes! I need to get a sample of their slime! If I can analyze it...
True or false? Is she a girl or is she from Texas girl? Texas girl, you're right.